Howdy guys, welcome to Grain Fed. Today we're gonna have some fun and play with the sawmill. I got a little yellow pine on it, guys, and we're gonna try and get a 10-inch cant out of this log, which means I'm gonna have a 10-inch by 10-inch square beam out of it. Hopefully, that's what I'm shooting at. So let's grab a tape measure and see what this log measures real quick. This log measures 13 inches of solid wood. So I think I should be able to get a 10-inch cant out of it. We'll see what happens. All right, so we got that cut made. We're gonna take a look and see what's under this top piece here. See if I got wide enough for my 10-inch cant. The pine's not really that exciting. It's nice. It doesn't nearly have any of the nice grain that walnut or one of the hardwoods would have. Let's measure it real quick. Yep, we just about make 10 inches right there on the small end. Smallest parts right here. There'll be a tiny bit of wane. Tiny bit. That'll work. This is how I'm gonna level the pith before I make my next cut on this cant. I have my saw blade backed up and it is away from the log a little bit, so it looks like it's above it, but it's actually right in the center of that pith. Now I can go down to the other end after I look at my log scale right here, and I am 8 1/8 inches off the deck. So I can come down to the other end, put my saw head at 8 1/8 inches, and raise the end of this log until it matches with the jack that's down here. And that way when my pith comes out, it'll be right in the center of the cant and I can cut it out of one board like I said earlier. Down at the other end of the log, you can see we're a little low because this is the smaller end of the log. So I'm gonna set you down, I'm gonna measure, and I'm gonna let you watch the head come down. Or the log go up. Three-quarters of an inch. Now we are centered. Now I can recheck for square, tighten her down, and I can cut that flitch off. I'm gonna edge that board at the same time I take this other 1-inch board off the top of this cant. All right, after we took that last cut, edged that last board, we got a perfect 10 by 10 cant. Very little wane, barely any, and the pith is centered on both ends. That's pretty good. All right, now a quick look at the sawmill. Why did I choose a TimberKing? Well, I guess if you look at the other sawmills out there, it's pretty clear. They got a big, massive 4-post head. This sawmill is not very big, but it's burly. The deck is all solid welded 2x6 steel. Got a 23 horsepower Vanguard. A lot of other mills only come with like a 16 horse, some even a 9 horse. Nice motor. Comes on a trailer package. I can haul this thing anywhere I want. That costed a little bit more, but I need to be mobile. Let's see, what else about the TimberKing was awesome. I like the setup. It has 3 dogs instead of 2. I really like this dogging assembly here. You just scoot it up to the log and screw it tight from the outside. It should be on a trailer, because if this was on the ground the way that this mill is designed, you'd be dragging your knuckles on the ground when you go to screw that dogging assembly in. That's what I mean here. It's pretty low to the ground if you weren't on a trailer. The other thing I like about this setup is it has 8 of these jacks. A lot of other sawmills only come with 6. This one has 8. The other things I like about it are this handle to raise and lower the head. I don't have to raise the head by hand. And well, it is a hand crank, but this has aircraft cables instead of like a rope or something like that. And overall, this thing is just a beast. Those guide rollers are all greasable, and it just comes with some really nice stuff. So that's why I chose TimberKing. Hey guys, it's getting pretty hot out here. We're gonna wrap it up, but I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, have fun.
Like and subscribe.